going to be my first ever Halloween tutorial, and you guys are going to be learning how I created this look right here, which is my version of a zombie queen. I was super nervous to film this video, and Halloween videos just aren't really my thing, so I just wasn't sure how this would go, but I actually loved the way it came out. This video is also in collaboration with my friend Julia Salvia here on YouTube, and she's also going to be doing her version of a zombie queen, so I will have her video linked down below. Make sure you guys check her out. She is such a sweetheart, and she is actually doing 31 days of Halloween. So if you guys want major Halloween inspo, head to her page. Her looks are absolutely incredible, and she is a true sweetheart in real life. So make sure you guys head over to Julia's page, and let's get into this tutorial. This is my I'm really excited, but I'm also really nervous face. So I'm applying some Tarte Shape Tape just to prep my eyelids for the shadow. Next, I am taking the Blushing Berry palette from Dose of Colors, and I'm applying this first color all into my crease. This is going to be a smoky eye, so I'm not really being too precise with this. Next, I'm taking a Milk Jumbo pencil in black, and I'm using this as my cream shadow base. And then I'm just gonna use my finger to help blend that out a little further. And then taking the black color from the palette, I'm going to go ahead and blend this all over my lid. You'll notice I'm not being very precise at all because there's really no reason to. And then I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit with a makeup wipe. I'm going in with some Tarte Shape Tape just to create a liner over the black shadow. And then I'm actually gonna apply some glitter. So I'm using this just as a base. Now I'm going in with this glitter from Pop Beauty. I will have it linked down below. And I'm basically just applying this all over the area that I applied the Tarte Shape Tape, just for a little something extra with this smoky eye. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. I'm just using the Dope Taupe brow color from Colourpop, popping on some lashes, and I'm finishing up my brows with this pencil from MAC. Now the fun part, I'm going in with the Monster Liquid Latex. I just purchased this on Amazon, and I'm creating where I want my wounds to be. So I'm basically just applying this. I don't know what really made me decide where I wanted them, but I kind of just put it wherever. I'm taking some cotton balls here and just applying them to give a little texture to the wounds. I'm also going to take a dryer sheet and do the same thing. So this is just going to help to make them appear more real. I decided I wanted one on my neck as well as my forehead here. This part was oddly satisfying. I'm actually going to peel this off a little bit just to make it look like the skin is kind of falling off and more like a wound. I'm going to do the same thing on my forehead. Somehow decided I need a little bit of primer, so I primed my nose with the Farsali Skintune Blur. Next, I'm going to be taking the Stay Matte foundation and mixing it with a little bit of white paint to create my base. So I'm just basically applying this all over my face with my beauty sponge, and this did oxidize a bit. Next, I'm going to go in with this lipstick. This is from The Balm, but you could use any darker lipstick. It's like a deep red shade, and I'm just applying this over top of the wounds just to like mimic blood, and I thought that this color actually worked really nicely. I also took this Tarteist Paint Lip from Tarte, and this one's just like a more bright red shade. I applied that, but I don't really love the way that one looked, so you'll see I kind of go over it later. Right now I'm just applying a little bit of black to my face just to make me look a little more grungy. And then I'm taking this Stay Matte powder from Rimmel London, and I'm just going to go ahead and set my face. I'm popping a nude eyeliner into my waterline. This is actually the Highbrow from Benefit. And I'm also going to take foundation over my lips just to help with looking a little more dead. Now for the fun part. This is actually called Blood Spatter. I purchased it on Amazon, and I'm spraying my face with it. I'm also going to apply it to the wounds directly, just like this. That didn't really work the best, but it kind of worked. And next, I'm going to actually apply this all over my mouth. FYI, this does not taste very good if you get it inside of your mouth. And then just really quickly going over them again with that first lip color. Now I'm adding my crown. I purchased this on Amazon. I'm just placing that on my head. And I decided to add some dry shampoo just to make my hair look really like dirty and also kind of, you know, deadly. So I just added this, and it worked really well. It kind of looked like I was spraying just like gray color into my hair. And here we are. I am officially a zombie. All right, you guys, that is going to do it for this zombie queen makeup tutorial. I had so much fun creating this look. I really enjoyed pushing myself to do something totally different that I've ever done before, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Please do not forget to check out Julia's channel and her video. I'm sure it's going to be incredible. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm super interested to see it, but I will link it down below for you guys. Make sure you check her out, show her some love, tell her I sent you. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this. If you want to see more Halloween looks from me, please comment down below which look you guys would like to see. I would love to start creating more for you. And yeah, I think that is going to do it for today's video. Do not forget to subscribe before you guys go, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, friends.